This lens belonged to a whole batch of lenses I bought. Soligor is not a brand my focus is on. But that doesn't matter because I've learned to try every lens, even though they seem inferior. Again, I was surprised by the quality, a good sharpness, and a beautiful color rendering. There are pictures that I really didn't expect to have these beautiful colors present. With F2.8, there is a beautiful bokeh to make if the lighting conditions are suitable for this. The only downside of this lens is the long minimum focus distance. I always see wonderful things where you have to get close to the subject. That is then not possible with this lens. I also do not want to bother with macro rings to go to work. Almost all 135mm lenses have a long focusing distance. A beautiful lens that made my day.